My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam associated with the site Yourdesktopdatabulwark.site. Yourdesktopdatabulwark.site is a malicious site because it tries to mislead people and to make people really scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading some potentially unwanted programs. So if you ever see these pop-ups, don't ever interact with them and don't install anything that they ever suggest. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the consequence of some adware enabled in your computer. So simply leave this website and don't trust its deceptive content. I also recommend that you carefully research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.